OEDO technical article. Smartwatches, smart times. Time is what we need most in the modern world. Although there are times that we can use in our business and home life, we also need additional time. That's why we need technological tools and devices that provide convenience in our work and home lives. Technological tools and devices not only make reducing the size of electronic devices makes it easier for us to incorporate these devices into our daily lives. We no longer need to carry huge and heavy cathode lamp radios with us to listen to the radio during a nature trip. We can listen to the FM radio available on our Android or iPhone phones. If we are a photographer, we do not need to carry a high capacity and heavy camera and peripheral equipment with us. The smartphones we mentioned have additional equipment to take high-quality photos. If we have health problems, if we need to be under control at all times, that is, if data such as blood pressure, blood sugar level, heart rate, physical activity of muscles need to be checked at any time, we can even make these measurements ourselves with electronic devices smaller than a matchbox. We can still use our smart electronic devices to pay after shopping in supermarkets. With the help of small smart electronic devices that we carry with us, we can communicate with other smart electronic devices around us. The presence of smart devices around us is the most important way to make our lives easier and save time. Being able to do many more of the things we talked about in the paragraph above with a single smartwatch is one of the great things today. Smartwatches have now gone far beyond just showing the time. Being able to do many more of the things we talked about in the paragraph above with a single smartwatch is one of the great things today. Smartwatches have now gone far beyond just showing the time. The HK8 Pro Ultra Smartwatch series watches, which we have chosen as an example, draw attention with their ergonomic and stylish design. The waterproof titanium alloy watch structure is in the IP68 standard class. The resolution of the 2.12-inch AMOLED touchscreen is 417px. The screen refresh rate is 240 MHz plus 48 MHz. The smartwatch, which has a battery capacity of 320 mAh, also has a wireless charging feature. It is also possible to charge it with a 5-volt adapter. The fixed memory of the HK8 Pro Ultra watch with 128 MB of RAM is 256 MB. HK8 Pro Ultra, a compatible smartwatch for iOS 10.0 and Android 5.0 above versions, uses WearFit Pro app. The Bluetooth version of the HK8 Pro Ultra watch with Qualcomm's CPU model, SF3-551 is 5.2. Weighing only 56 grams, the smartwatch is available in English, Chinese, traditional Chinese, Danish, Greek, Latin, Romanian, Turkish, Hebrew, Czech, Polish, Spanish, German, Russian, Portuguese, French, Japanese, Italian, Vietnamese, Korean, Arabic. It has Persian language options. Default Texel for the Sportsman male model is designed as a smartwatch in terms of design. The watch, which is offered to people of all ages and genders, is very popular. Although the Sportsman male model is designed as a smartwatch in terms of design, the watch, which is offered to people of all ages and genders, is very popular. As seen in our sample smartwatch review, the HK8 Pro smartwatch, which has many more features, has the features that we mentioned at the beginning of our article that make our life easier and more efficient. When we evaluate it in terms of price performance, it has an average price. Note, what is AMOLED? AMOLED screens are a screen technology used in many brands of phones, tablets and smartwatches. AMOLED is a technology developed by Samsung. AMOLED displays, which are active matrix organic light emitting diode, that is, active matrix organic LED, are produced from organic LEDs, OLEDs, as the name suggests. In AMOLED screens, Each pixel is individually illuminated to create an image. The only disadvantage of bendable AMOLED screens is disinformation on the screen as a result of use. Thanks for listening. You can find the text version of the audio article at milivolt.news.